Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about none other than the epitome of grace herself, the one and only Shriya Saran, and her timeless sari fashion choices that leave us all spellbound. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or attending a traditional ceremony, the actress never fails to captivate us with her impeccable sense of style, especially when it comes to saris. So, without further ado, let's unravel some of her most iconic sari moments and take a cue on how to slay in 6 yards of elegance. First up, let's talk about the classic Kanjivaram silk saris that Shriya often adorns. Whether it's a rich, jewel-toned silk or a subtle pastel shade, she knows how to carry these traditional drapes with sheer grace and sophistication. Draping a sari like Shriya isn't just about wrapping fabric around yourself. It's an art form. Pay attention to the way she pleats her pallu and how effortlessly she carries the weight of the sari, making it look like an extension of her own persona. The beauty often opts for intricate designs, whether it's a high-neck blouse with delicate embroidery or a backless blouse with intricate detailing. These little touches add a modern twist to her traditional attire. When it comes to styling, she keeps it elegant yet minimal. She often pairs her saris with statement jewelry pieces, like chunky earrings or a statement necklace, to elevate her look without overpowering the beauty of the sari itself. One style that Shriya Saran absolutely rocks is the timeless and versatile chiffon sari. Whether it's a solid color or adorned with delicate prints, chiffon saris are her go-to for a chic and sophisticated look. What sets Shriya apart is her ability to play with drapes. She often opts for unconventional draping styles, like the Seedha Pallu or the modern dhoti drape, giving a contemporary twist to her chiffon saris. The actress knows exactly how to accessorize her saris to perfection. From statement belts cinching her waist to elegant handbags and clutches, she proves that the right accessories can take your sari game to the next level. Another fabric that Shriya slays in is the delicate and ethereal Georgette sari. Whether it's for a daytime event or an evening soiree, she effortlessly carries off Georgette saris with sheer grace. One of the aspects that truly sets Shriya Saran apart is her experimentation with various sari draping styles. From the classic navy drape to the trendy butterfly style, she isn't afraid to push the boundaries and try new looks. What's fascinating is how Shriya adapts each drape to suit the occasion. Whether it's a formal event or a casual outing, she always finds the perfect balance between tradition and modernity in her sari draping. Her blouse designs are a work of art in themselves. She experiments with different necklines, sleeve lengths, and embellishments, adding a touch of glamour to her sari ensembles. Color plays a crucial role in her sari fashion choices. She isn't afraid to play with bold hues like emerald green or royal blue, but she also knows when to opt for soft pastels or timeless neutrals, depending on the mood and occasion. Another aspect that defines her sari style is her eclectic choice of fabrics. From luxurious silk to breezy linen, she effortlessly transitions between textures, showcasing her versatility and impeccable taste. What's truly admirable is how Shriya embraces the inherent qualities of each fabric. She knows when to opt for a structured silk sari for a formal event and when to choose a lightweight linen drape for a casual day out. Accessories are the cherry on top of her sari ensembles. She isn't afraid to make a statement with bold jewelry pieces, be it chunky earrings, statement necklaces, or intricately adorned bangles, adding an extra oomph to her look. Styling plays a pivotal role in elevating Shriya's sari game. Whether she opts for a sleek hairdo or loose waves, her hairstyles complement her sari choices perfectly, enhancing her overall look with a touch of glamour. One of the key elements of her sari repertoire is her love for captivating prints. Whether it's floral motifs, intricate paisley designs, or geometric patterns, she effortlessly infuses vibrancy and personality into her sari looks. What's remarkable is how Shriya balances the boldness of prints with understated elegance. She often keeps her accessories and makeup minimal, allowing the sari's intricate patterns to take center stage. Speaking of makeup and hairstyles, the actress knows how to strike the perfect balance between sophistication and glamour. Whether she opts for a classic red lip and winged eyeliner or a soft, dewy look with subtle curls, her beauty complements her sari choices flawlessly. Another aspect that sets Shriya apart is her keen sense of occasion when selecting saris. She effortlessly transitions from traditional silk saris for festive celebrations to breezy chiffon drapes for casual gatherings, always exuding grace and poise. A defining feature of her sari ensembles is the exquisite embellishments that adorn her drapes. Whether it's intricate zari work, dazzling sequins, or delicate embroidery, each detail adds depth and allure to her sari choices. What's truly remarkable is her attention to detail. From meticulously crafted borders to elaborate motifs scattered across the fabric, she ensures that every element of her sari ensemble is thoughtfully curated to perfection. Accessories play a crucial role in complementing her sari looks. She often opts for handcrafted jewelry pieces, such as intricately designed jhumkas, statement necklaces, and ornate bangles, adding a touch of traditional elegance to her ensemble. Shreya's discerning eye extends to her choice of fabrics as well. She seamlessly blends traditional silk saris with contemporary chiffon and georgette drapes, showcasing her versatility and ability to effortlessly transition between different textures. One cannot help but be captivated by the sheer craftsmanship evident in her sari choices. From handwoven Kanjivaram silks to intricately embroidered Banarasi drapes, each sari reflects the rich heritage of Indian textiles and the skilled artisans behind them. What sets Shreya apart is her appreciation for intricate embellishments. Whether it's delicate thread work, shimmering sequins, or opulent mirror work, she effortlessly incorporates these embellishments into her sari ensembles, creating a visual feast for the eyes. Accessories are the crowning glory of her sari looks, adding the perfect finishing touch to her ensemble. From vintage-inspired Kundan jewelry to contemporary statement pieces, she curates her accessories with care, ensuring they enhance the allure of her sari without overshadowing it. Styling plays a pivotal role in Shreya's sari fashion choices. She understands the power of silhouette and proportion, effortlessly balancing voluminous drapes with fitted blouses to create a harmonious ensemble that flatters her figure and exudes confidence. Her sari fashion choices are a testament to her impeccable taste, unwavering grace, and unwavering commitment to preserving and celebrating India's rich textile heritage. With each sari she adorns, she not only embodies timeless elegance but also pays homage to the artisans who bring these exquisite creations to life. At the heart of her sari collection lies a reverence for tradition and a love for handcrafted textiles. From the timeless beauty of Kanjivarams to the intricate weaves of patolas and pathanis, she effortlessly embodies the essence of Indian craftsmanship. What sets Shreya apart is her commitment to promoting handloom weaves and supporting local artisans. Each sari she wears carries a story of heritage and craftsmanship, celebrating the rich tapestry of India's textile traditions. Accessories are the piece de resistance of Shreya's sari looks, elevating her ensemble with a touch of glamour and opulence. From heirloom pieces passed down through generations to contemporary designs that make a statement, her jewelry choices are a testament to her impeccable style. Color plays a vital role in her sari fashion, with each hue carefully selected to evoke a mood or complement the occasion. Whether she opts for vibrant jewel tones to make a statement or soft pastels for a touch of ethereal charm, her color choices never fail to mesmerize. Her sari fashion choices are a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. With each drape, she not only showcases her impeccable style but also pays homage to the rich cultural tapestry of India. One of the hallmarks of her sari fashion is her penchant for experimenting with draping styles. From the traditional navy drape to contemporary interpretations like the butterfly drape or the modern fusion styles, she effortlessly reinvents the sari, making each look uniquely her own. What sets Shreya apart is her confidence and poise in carrying off unconventional drapes. Whether she opts for intricate pleats or asymmetrical twists, her mastery of draping techniques adds an element of dynamism to her sari ensembles. No sari look is complete without the perfect blouse, and Shreya understands this perfectly. She often chooses blouses with intricate designs, be it embellished with sequins, adorned with delicate lace, or featuring elaborate bag designs, adding a touch of allure to her ensemble. Styling plays a crucial role in enhancing the impact of her sari looks. Whether she opts for cascading curls or sleek updos, her hairstyles complement the sari's aesthetic, while her choice of accessories, from statement earrings to ornate belts, adds an extra layer of sophistication. Her sari fashion choices are a testament to her bold experimentation and unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of traditional attire. With each drape, she not only showcases her impeccable style but also inspires us to embrace creativity and individuality in our own fashion choices. A distinguishing feature of Shreya's sari collection is her affinity for saris with unique textures and weaves. From the rich texture of raw silk to the delicate sheen of satin, she effortlessly explores the myriad possibilities of fabric, adding depth and dimension to her sari looks. She pays homage to traditional weaving techniques while also embracing contemporary interpretations, resulting in saris that are both timeless and innovative. Accessories play a pivotal role in elevating her sari ensembles to new heights of sophistication. She often opts for handcrafted jewelry pieces, intricately designed with precious stones and metals, adding a touch of opulence and glamour to her look. Styling is key to enhancing the impact of Shreya's sari fashion. Whether she chooses to accessorize with statement pieces or opts for a more minimalist approach, her attention to detail ensures that every element of her ensemble is thoughtfully curated for maximum impact. Her sari fashion choices are a celebration of beauty, tradition, and individuality. With each sari she wears, she tells a story of heritage and craftsmanship, inspiring us to embrace the timeless allure of Indian attire with confidence and grace. Shriya Saran's sari fashion choices, it becomes increasingly evident that her style transcends mere aesthetics, it embodies a profound appreciation for tradition, craftsmanship, and individual expression. With each meticulously chosen sari ensemble, the actress seamlessly blends the timeless allure of classic Indian attire with a modern sensibility, creating looks that are both captivating and contemporary. What sets her apart is not just her impeccable taste in fabrics, colors, and accessories, but also her fearless experimentation with draping styles, textures, and embellishments. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or attending a cultural event, her sari ensembles are a testament to her unwavering confidence and grace, inspiring countless admirers to embrace their own unique sense of style with pride and authenticity. In a world where fashion trends come and go, the actress serves as a symbol of grace and refinement, emphasizing that genuine style endures beyond passing trends, shaping the very fabric of fashion history with its timeless allure. Her sari ensembles are not just about wearing a garment. They're about embodying a timeless tradition while infusing it with her own unique personality and style. What makes her sari choices truly exceptional is her ability to effortlessly blend the old with the new, seamlessly integrating traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics. Whether she's adorned in a regal Kanjivaram silk sari or a contemporary chiffon drape, Shriya exudes a sense of grace and confidence that is truly captivating. What sets her apart is not only her impeccable taste in saris but also her attention to detail. From the intricately designed blouses to the carefully chosen accessories, every element of her ensemble is thoughtfully considered to create a cohesive and stunning look. It's this meticulous attention to detail that elevates her sari fashion to an art form, inspiring admirers around the world to embrace the beauty of Indian attire with elegance and flair. Shriya Saran's sari fashion choices stand as a timeless testament to the enduring appeal of this iconic garment. With each drape, she tells the story of tradition, culture, and heritage, reminding us of the rich tapestry of Indian textiles and craftsmanship. Through her impeccable style and grace, she continues to captivate hearts and minds, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion that will be celebrated for generations to come. Her makeup perfectly complements her sari ensembles, enhancing her natural beauty while accentuating the elegance of her attire. One of the signature elements of Shriya's makeup is her flawless complexion. Whether she opts for a dewy finish or a matte look, her skin always appears radiant and luminous, creating the perfect canvas for her sari ensemble. The actress often accentuates her eyes to draw attention and add depth to her overall look. She frequently opts for soft, smoky eyes or a classic winged eyeliner, complemented by neutral eyeshadows that enhance her eye shape without overpowering her delicate features. Shriya strikes the perfect balance between understated elegance and statement-making glamour. She often chooses nude or soft pink lip shades for a subtle yet sophisticated look, but isn't afraid to make a bold statement with a classic red or berry lip for special occasions. Blush and contouring play essential roles in shaping her face and adding dimension to her makeup. She opts for natural-looking blush shades that impart a healthy glow to her cheeks, while strategic contouring enhances her facial features and creates a sculpted, refined look. Her makeup choices are as exquisite and thoughtfully curated as her sari ensembles. With her flawless complexion, captivating eyes, and perfectly contoured features, she epitomizes timeless beauty and sophistication in every aspect of her appearance. One of the defining features of her makeup is its versatility. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or attending a cultural event, she effortlessly transitions between different makeup looks, each tailored to complement the intricacies of her sari attire. Shriya's eye makeup is often the focal point of her looks, as she masterfully plays with colors and textures to create mesmerizing effects. From soft, neutral tones for a subtle daytime look to bold, dramatic eyeshadows for an evening affair, she showcases her versatility and artistry with every flutter of her lashes. Shriya is a true connoisseur. She effortlessly balances her eye makeup with the perfect lip shade, opting for soft, nude hues to complement intricate saris with intricate details, while choosing vibrant, bold colors to make a statement with simpler, more classic ensembles. Whether she opts for a subtle flush of color on the cheeks or a luminous highlight to accentuate her features, her makeup techniques always enhance her natural beauty without overshadowing it. Shriya Saran's makeup choices are a harmonious blend of sophistication, glamour, and timeless elegance. With her impeccable taste and attention to detail, she continues to inspire us to experiment with makeup and express our individuality with confidence and grace. Her hairstyles are the perfect complement to her sari ensembles, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to her overall look. One of the signature elements of Shriya's hairstyle choices is their versatility. Whether she opts for sleek and polished updos or soft and romantic curls, she effortlessly adapts her hairstyles to suit the occasion and the intricacies of her sari attire. The beauty often experiments with different hairstyling techniques to create unique and eye-catching looks. From intricate braids to elegant twists, she adds an element of sophistication to her sari ensembles, elevating them to new heights of glamour. Accessories play a crucial role in enhancing Shriya's hairstyle choices. Whether she opts for delicate hairpins, embellished clips, or statement hairbands, she adds a touch of sparkle and glamour to her hairstyles, adding an extra layer of sophistication to her overall look. Her hair color and highlights also play a significant role in her hairstyle choices. Whether she chooses to embrace her natural hair color or experiment with subtle highlights and lowlights, she always ensures that her hair complements her sari ensemble, adding depth and dimension to her overall look. Shriya Saran's hairstyle choices are a reflection of her timeless elegance and impeccable taste. With her effortless grace and versatility, she continues to inspire us to experiment with different hairstyles and embrace our own unique beauty with confidence and style. Accessories play a crucial role in elevating Shriya's sari ensembles, adding an extra layer of glamour and sophistication to her looks. One of the standout features of her accessories choices is their versatility. Whether she opts for traditional jewelry pieces or contemporary accents, she effortlessly integrates them into her sari ensembles, creating looks that are both timeless and modern. The actress often experiments with different accessorizing techniques to add interest and personality to her sari looks. From statement necklaces to chandelier earrings, she knows how to balance her accessories to create a cohesive and stylish ensemble. Handbags and clutches are essential accessories that complement Shriya's sari ensembles. Whether she opts for a sleek clutch for a formal event or a stylish handbag for a casual outing, she adds a touch of elegance and practicality to her overall look. Footwear is another key element of her accessories choices. She often chooses footwear that complements her sari ensemble, whether it's a pair of elegant heels for a formal occasion or comfortable flats for a more relaxed look. Her footwear always adds the perfect finishing touch to her outfit. Shriya Saran's accessories choices are a reflection of her impeccable style and attention to detail. With her ability to effortlessly mix and match different accessories, she continues to inspire us to have fun and experiment with our own accessories to create unique and stylish looks. So, there you have it. Shriya Saran's sari fashion choices are a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, showcasing the timeless elegance of the 6-yard wonder. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.